In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform any web page into an app using Google Chrome. This feature lets you access your favorite sites more quickly by turning them into standalone applications right on your desktop. It's a handy tool for boosting productivity, especially if you frequently use certain sites throughout your day. So let's dive right in and show you how it's done. First up, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is a versatile and widely used web browser, and it's important you're using it because this process is specific to Google Chrome. Once you've got Chrome open, the next step is to navigate to your Gmail. Now, you might wonder why Gmail. The idea here is to use any web page that you visit often, and in many cases, Gmail serves as a great example. Of course, you can apply these same steps to any other web page you prefer. As you open Gmail, or any chosen web page really, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is called the menu button. When you click on this button, it reveals a drop-down list of options that you can choose from. It's a bit like opening a portal to more Chrome features. From this drop-down menu, you're going to want to select the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This might sound a bit unfamiliar if you've never used it before, but don't worry, it's actually simpler than it sounds. What you're aiming to do here is access the tools that allow you to manage how you interact with the web page you're currently on. Among these tools, you'll find an option called Install Page as App. When you click on this, you've instructed Chrome to essentially take that web page and make it into an application on your computer. This new app behaves just like a native app, launching independently of the browser and giving you the convenience of one-click access. And with that, you're done. It's just a few simple steps to transform those frequently visited sites into standalone apps you can access easily from your desktop. It's especially useful for web pages you anticipate opening multiple times a day, as this method saves time while decluttering your browser. Congratulations on enhancing your productivity setup. Remember, this neat trick is not only limited to Gmail or Google-related pages, you can apply it to any site you wish to access more efficiently. Give it a try with different sites to see how seamless your daily online interactions can become. Stay tuned for more helpful tips like this one, and happy browsing!